Hello, here is the quick demo where how you can export or import the workflow in GoHighLevel. So when you are in the automation tab, here you can see the export and import button in here. Which workflow you want to export in JSON formats, let's mark this workflow. Let me export this one and this one. Here I export the two workflows in here. Here you can see this. You can see here is all JSON format. When we import back in GoHighLevel, here you can see click or browse and add the both of the workflow in here. Open this one. Here you can see we have 58 action and 0 trigger in here on the stress test. When we click on the import workflow, two workflows are imported in here. I make this workflow from the Claude and import it in here. Let me show you the workflow which I have created. Here you can see this one is created recently. Here you can see all the workflows of the action is built in the workflow. Here is the quick demo. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you so much.